My name is Steve Mason. I'm the president-elect of the Southeast Chapter for Community Association Institute. Today we're helping our friends in the Bahamas, collecting a drive through the organization at our monthly event here at beautiful Jacaranda Country Club. I am overwhelmed by the support that we've had. We've collected so many items for our friends in the Bahamas. There's nobody that knows what they're going through more so than the people of South Florida. Hurricanes threaten us all the time. So through Community Association Institute, we're happy to help support our neighbors, and we're looking forward to continue that support.
So I'm looking at the stuff that we were able to collect here, and I love the flip-flops. I mean, that's something so simple that they could really use over there that we don't really think about. So the flip-flop donation, great choice. Thanks, guys. Really appreciate it.
If you'd like to continue to support, visit our website at CAI-SEFlorida.org, or on the national website. You can join, become members, and be part of a great organization at CAIonline.org. Thank you for everybody's appreciation. Have a good day.